Hey guys, we're over to Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2015 BMW X3. It's a push-to-start car, so this is what the key fob looks like. And we went ahead and installed a VIPER remote car starter in here. It's very simple the way it operates. You push the button once, the car gets command by the lights flashing, then the car will then follow up by turning on and starting. The car will run for roughly about 15 minutes, and we can set that to user preference. And you can also add the phone control app. So if you wanted to start it with your cell phone, you would simply open up VIPER SmartStart, and you'd have lock, unlock, and start right on here. Another phenomenal upgrade that we did to the vehicle is the reverse camera. Let me show you the camera in the back. So right above the license plate, we installed the camera right here by the tailgate handle. It's a factory fit and finish, so this way it never looks aftermarket, and it works right on the original screen. Hop inside the car. I'm going to show you how that shows. Just hop on the passenger side. Now, you may have noticed that we opened up the car, and I used the factory BMW remote to do that. And then I got in, and we're good to drive away if we wanted to. So, the vehicle does not need to turn off as far as the transition is concerned. That reverse camera that I was talking about shows up right on this iDrive screen. And you have the active lines. So if you see here, turning the steering wheel, we have full active lines on the screen. So we have a fully functional remote car starter working with this brand new BMW, and a beautiful backup camera screen. Again, this was done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.